What's going on, everybody? So due to so many people reaching out via email and on Facebook, the Elite Credit Repair is not coming back. It's never coming back. In fact, what I'm about to offer you is only going to be available through this video. It's not going on my website and I'm not going to advertise it. But I've literally had over 30 people email me in the last 2 days alone wanting me to bring back the consumer laws. Y'all love the consumer law dispute method, and I get it. It's very powerful and it works. Never said it didn't work. This is not Metro 2, this is consumer law. I have had a couple people ask about the Metro 2, but we're never bringing that back either. That is a waste of time and a waste of money. So anybody that does want me to use the consumer laws, that either you can't afford the pre-litigation credit repair or you just simply want to use consumer laws, you can reach out to me, send me an email to everythingcredit@icloud.com, or you can just comment on this video, and it's going to be $99 per round of letters. There is no processing fee, so if you sign up, we'll generate the letters for you, and then I will send you an invoice for $99. Once the invoice is paid, we'll still mail everything out for you. If you want to mail it yourself, that's fine. Everything will still get mailed out via certified mail. You have to mail certified mail. Now, it is a little different than pre-litigation. We're just mailing so you can, so they got the letters, and for proof that we mailed the letters. But again, if you want to mail them yourself, perfectly fine. I have no problem with that. Saves me money, but everything else goes certified anyway, so we're not going to just throw a stamp on there and hope that the bureaus get it. We want to make sure that they get it for sure. So again, this is not something that's going to be on my website. This is not something that I'm going to advertise everywhere on social media. You're only going to see this on this video. So if you do want the consumer law dispute method for credit repair, please reach out to me at everythingcredit@icloud.com or comment below. Again, once you sign up, there is no contract. We will generate the letters for you. Once the letters have been generated, we will email you a payment so you can make the payment, an invoice rather. And then once the invoice is made, we will send everything out via certified mail. You'll get copies of the certified mail just like everybody else. Sorry, there's the old famous train that used to always come on when I'd go live. But anyway, again, for the last time, this will only be mentioned in this video. If you want the consumer law dispute method, please let me know. Hope y'all have a great weekend.